hoes, it's your girl Lace and I'm going to show you how to customize your frontal. So I didn't record how I mixed the bleach, but I used 2 scoops of bleach, eyeball developer, and you want a consistency of frosting. So I like to use popsicle stick to spread my bleach because it's easier, and yeah, it's just easier for me. But you don't want to press down too hard spreading the bleach, because if you do, you'll get it all over your hair. It'll seep through the lace, get all over your hair, and you would have to correct it. So you just spread everything lightly and take your time too. So now, since I'm all done, I leave it on for at least 10-15 minutes. Rinse it out with neutralizing shampoo and then purple shampoo. And now I like to part like an inch or so behind the hairline and then start plucking. You don't want to pluck right on the hairline. And I like to use slanted tweezers. And make sure you use good tweezers too, not any dull tweezers. And when you're plucking, do not pluck too hard, because you will rip your lace. Like, if you pluck too hard, you'll have holes all in your lace, and we don't want that. And also, just take your time too. And I'm just going around the perimeter, parting baby hairs, and then plucking. And the more you keep wetting it and combing it, the easier it will be to see the progress you made too. And so this hairline is blunt, and I don't want it to be too blunt, because if I wanted to install it without any baby hairs, it would be a blunt line, and you don't want a harsh blunt line. So I'm just plucking just a few baby hairs. You don't want to go crazy on this part. I'm just plucking a few strands of hair just to give it a more seamless look. You don't want to pluck too much from that hairline. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished product. Stay tuned for part 2. Love, peace, and hair grease.